Yes, we can start.
Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai.
So we will start now. The official name of this song is Vasanti Ras. So in which a beautiful description of Vrindavan Dham is given. So let me, before we start, let me ask, how many of you have been to Vrindavan? Wow. So some of you haven't. So this will make you even more eager to go and visit Vrindavan and see Vrindavan. This beautiful song. So this song is going to describe the beauty of Vrindavan. Okay. So we are going to see Vrindavan in the eyes of a wonderful saint called as Narottam Das Thakur. So Narottam Das Thakur is going to tell us how Vrindavan looks like. Okay, so we're going to see that. So the author is Narottam Das Thakur. Vrindavana Ramya Sthana. So everybody knows Sthana means place, and Vrindavan is the name of that place. And how is that? It's beautiful. Ramya is very pleasing, very beautiful. And how is it beautiful? It's filled with Divya Chintamani Dham. It's a transcendental place of touchstones. Chintamani is touchstone. So whatever you ask, you will get. So we have to be careful to ask because we may ask something which is detrimental to us, right? Maybe sometimes we just get unknowingly ask something. So we have to be very careful when we ask, when we go there. It is transcendental and full of touchstones, and then also it is a dham. Dham means what? Dham means the abode of the Lord. So it's the Lord's abode. Okay. Then Ratana Mandira Manohara. So Narottam Das Thakur says the actual Vrindavan looks like, how does it look like? It looks like there is a jeweled temple which is very, very beautiful in that. And then Abrata Kalindi Nire. Kalindi is Yamuna, another name for Yamuna. Nire means waters. So it's all encompassing the waters of Yamuna. And then what happens in that Yamuna? There's Rajahamsa Keli Kore. Rajahamsa. Rajahamsa is those beautiful swans which are having their own pastimes over there. They're playing around in the waters of the Yamuna. Tahe Shobhe Kanaka Kamala. In that, Shobhe means is beautifully effulgent. It's there. It's beautifying. What is beautifying? That the Rajahamsas are already doing Keli, and where do the Hamsas, the Rajahamsas or the kings of the swans, where do they reside? Normally, they reside where there are beautiful lotuses blooming. So, Tahe Shobhe, in that, what is happening? Kanaka Kamala. Kanaka Kamala means, Kanaka means golden. Kamala means lotus. So, there are golden lotuses which are blooming in that beautiful Yamuna river. Okay. Then what happens? Taramadhya Hema Pita. In the midst of all this, there is a beautiful golden throne. Pita means it's like a pedestal, you can say. There's a golden pedestal, and in that pedestal there are Ashtadala Veshtita. And this pedestal, have you seen a lotus? I hope everyone has seen a lotus. If not, you can Google and find out. There is something like a pedestal in the middle of the lotus. Okay, and then it's like a round pedestal which is popping out, and that pedestal is like a hemapita, is golden. And then the petals around this pedestal, ashtadale veshtita. Dala means petals, ashta means eight, veshtita means are placed. So eight huge petals are placed around that pedestal. Then Ashtadale Pradhana Naika. So in on each of these petals of this lotus, there are different gopis who are those who rule those petals, you can say, who are the pradhan of that petals. And out of that Ashtadala Who is the most prominent of that? Pradhana means prominent or the chief. Who is the chief of all these Ashtadala Naikas, Ashtadala Gopis? Ashtagopis, who is the chief? Chief is Radharani. So Ashtadala Pradhana Naika, that is Radharani. She is sitting on the pedestal. Then Taramadhya Ratnasane. Then on that pedestal there is a jeweled throne. On that pedestal, which is golden, there's a jeweled throne. And on the throne, Boshi Achen Dui Jane. There are two people. Dui means two, Jane means people. Two persons. So two persons are sitting. Boshi Achen. Boshi means sitting, Achen means there. So they're sitting there. Who are sitting there? Shama Sange Sundari Radhika. So Shama is sitting, Shama is Krishna, and Sundari means beautiful, Radhika means Radharani. So who is sitting on that Ratnasan? Who is sitting on the jewel throne? Lord Krishna and Srimati Radharani. Okay, then the third paragraph goes, O Rupa Lavanya Rashi. She's Narottam Das Thakur is talking to Rupa Goswami because Narottam Das Thakur is a disciple of Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami is Rupa Manjari in the spiritual world. So he is telling her, Oh Rupa Lavanya, Lavanya means beauty. So their beauty is so beautiful. They are uh, Rupa Lavanya, Rashi Amiya Poriche Khasi. So I am now fallen. He says, I am fallen here, and but Amiya Poriche Khasi. Khasi means I have fallen here, but it's a very important place. What is that? Hasya Parihasya Sambhashani. So what is happening over there? Hasya Parihas. Hasya means laughter. Parihas means to joke amongst each other. Sambhashani means conversation. So in their conversations, they are joking with each other, this beautiful couple. And Narottama Dasa Koy, Narottam Das is saying, Nitya Lila Sukhamoy, this beautiful eternal pastime is giving me so much joy, Sukhamoy, Sadai Spuruk Moramani. Let it constantly be spurak means to emanate, to give rise to in the heart. So in my mind, let this beautiful leela means what? Pastime. So this eternal pastime which is happening there, the two couple, that is Sham and Radhika, they are talking amongst each other, they're laughing, they're joking. Let this eternal pastime which brings joy, let it always be manifest in my heart, in my mind. So this is that beautiful song which is describing this. I will sing it once and then later on we will learn it. Okay. So very simple. The tune is also very simple and you will love it. वृन्दावन रम्यस्थान दिव्यचिन्तामणिधाम रतनमन्दिर मनोहार वृन्दावन रम्यस्थान दिव्यचिन्तामणिधाम रतनमन्दिर मनोहार आवृत कालिंदी नीरे राजहंस केली कोरे ताहे शोभे कनक कमाल आवृत कालिंदी नीरे राजहंस केली कोरे ताहे शोभे कनक कमाल तारमध्ये हेमपीठ अष्टदले वेष्टित अष्टदले प्रधान नायिका तारमध्ये हेमपीठ अष्टदले वेष्टित अष्टदले प्रधान नायिका तारमध्ये रत्नासने भोशियाचे दुई जने श्याम संगे सुंदरी राधिका तारमध्ये रत्नासने भोशियाचे दुई जने श्याम संगे सुंदरी राधिका ओ रूप लावण्य राशी आमिया पोरीचे खाशी हास्य परिहास्य संभाषणे ओ रूप लावण्य राशी आमिया पोरीचे खाशी हास्य परिहास संभाषणे नरोत्तम दास कोय नित्य लीला सुखमोय सदाई स्फुरक मोरा मधी नरोत्तम दास कोय नित्य लीला सुखमोय सदाई स्फुरक मोरा मधी वृंदावन रम्य स्थान दिव्य चिंतामणी धाम रतन मंदिर मनोहर. Okay, so I hope you
Thank
all like the beautiful.
Super, super, super. Thank you so much. And here we will stop the recording so that everybody can practice now. So we'll stop here.